is she doing? Okay, she's weird. I want to know what it is. She's really creeping. Man, these cows are loud. Okay, well, whatever it is getting closer to me, so now I'm getting creeped out. Oh, what was it? What the fuck? These cows are literally insane. Oh, it's quiet. Rural Prince George is probably so quiet. Pfft, it's never quiet. Come on, Smoky, just get it. Get the mouse. Leap through the fence. There are leaves falling off the willow tree. Winter's coming. Smokey, I don't know how long these videos go. No one's probably watching it anymore. This is just for me and you. Come on, cat. Get it. Oh my god, Smokey. Oh, the back leg. You see that? The muscle. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Look at that muscle. She's ready to go. Oh, I'm gonna run out of time, Smokey. Come on. This is Snapchat, man. I'm not filming a fucking documentary. Leap, cat, leap. I feel like this is gonna be all for nothing. Very anticlimactic. No one's gonna want a sequel. Come on, kitty, do it. Come on, kitty. Oh, we got some action. We got some action. Damn it, the video ran out and I missed her hop. She jumped on something. I knew that was gonna happen. What'd you get, Smokey? Oh, she didn't get it. Grass is too thick. He smokes. They got underground little tunnels you can't get. Oh, fuck. Where is it? It's gonna come out. Never-ending supply of things to hunt in a field like this. But don't forget, there are things bigger than you. And then you will become the hunted. You still trying to get it, Smokey? Oh my god, she's looking like it's about to run out towards me. Alright, well, good try, cat. A for effort. But how about this sunset? It's pretty. And those cows. Oh, she must have it under... Oh. No, maybe not. Oh, there's still mosquitoes. Frick.